Hello and welcome to Plants in Afrikaans. A quick note before we start, this lesson might be slightly different because right from the start the whole lesson will be to prepare you for the activity. After you have finished this lesson, you should be able to name a few plants in Afrikaans. In this lesson's activity, there will be one word from the color lesson and one from the animal lesson that you will have to identify. If you struggle to identify those words, then feel free to watch the color lesson and animal lesson again. You can find the links to those lessons in the description. The words you need to memorize for this lesson may appear a bit random, difficult, or strange. But you'll need these words to do the activity, and once you do the activity, it will become clear why you need these words. Gat, gat. Hole, like a hole in the ground. Grond, grond. It can mean soil or it can mean ground. Vlerk, vlerk. Wing. Veer, veer. Feather. Nes, nes. Nest. Plante, plants. Boom, boom. Tree. Tak, tak. Branch. Muk, muk. It can mean two things. Firstly, aim, like I aim to throw the paper into the dustbin. And secondly, in this lesson's activity, the word muk means a fork in a branch. The spot here. I'm not quite sure if it's the correct way to translate it, but I couldn't think of any other way to explain it. Let me know in the comments if there is a specific name for this spot here. Blaar, blaar. Leaf. Bos, bos. Bush. Blom, blom. Flower. Roos, roos. Rose. Gras, gras. Grass. Saad, saad. Seed. In the description, you'll find a link to a song. Listen to the song and see if you can understand what is being said. The pronunciation is a bit unclear, so you'll have to listen very carefully. After you've listened to the song, answer this question. What is the one word from the animal lesson and the one word from the color lesson that can be found in the song? And then can you tell me what the following words mean? Kiem, daarom, daarom. In die. Luis. Antwoorde, answers. So kiem means germ. Daarom, around. Daarom, therefore. So, when daarom is two words, it means around. For example, die groen gras groei daarom. The green grass grows around it. But when daarom is one word, it means therefore. For example, dis bedompig, daarom gaan dit reën. It's humid, therefore it's going to rain. In die, in the. Luis, louse. Or the plural form, luise, lice. The words from the animal lesson and color lesson are groen, green, and voël, bird. So unfortunately, due to copyrights, I can't go through the exact lyrics with you, so I'll just give a brief overview. The guy sings about a hole in the ground, and in the hole there is a tree, and the green grass grows around it. And then there is a branch on the tree, and the tree is in the hole in the ground, and the green grass grows around it. And it builds up like that and continues till the end, where he says, there is a germ on a germ, and the germ is on the louse, and the louse is on the wing, and the wing is on the bird, and the bird is in the nest, and the nest is in the fork of the tree, and the fork of the tree is in the branch, and the branch is on the tree, and the tree is in the hole in the ground, and the green grass grows around it. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.